Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think?
Thank you. Okay.
What's that?
Is it LOL supplies under
You
that?
put it on the table when opening.
Mommy, I need
Don't-
to get a scissors. This is the Unwrap surprise.
Not that way. The other way around.
This one?
Yes. Point the scissor away from you, not.
Okay, hold this one.
Be careful. You cut your hands.
Okay.
What is your unwrapping now?
Now we're putting it. Oh my. This is the eye glasses. That was really super good. It's a look so super clear. Open. Let's see. Let's see what is applied. Oh, I see a pet checker. It's our top secret mission. When I'm the girl. Do it open. Now you will. Oh. And now this way. Go and cut this way.
Careful.
Oh, there it is. Oh, we almost there. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
On the table. Put it. Show it on the table.
Oh, I see something. We're almost there. After getting just this. Yes, it's a secret clue. Now let's see the clue and what we can do.
That what I'll do.
Oh, under the sea. Oh, look, it says something. Let's see. Let's.
What's that?
It's spiders. I'll get some. I'll look up.
Later.
Okay.
What is next now?
Now let's see the
Nothing.
letters of this. O is the O. Oh
Why you cut your finger?
no. Yeah.
It's too short.
Hmm.
Be careful.
Oh, me, we need a bandage.
Okay, later. Where did you cut your hands?
Ew. Oh. Mommy, help me.
Does it bleed?
Yes.
Okay, mid. We put a band-aid on the boo-boo.
Huh? It started peeling. And here we have secret codes right here.
What's that?
Oh, honey. Oh, okay. Okay,
Wow.
let's see.
Remove first all the wrappers.
Let's see it. Crown jewel. It's open. I'll open it.
Put the wrapper on the side, Lois.
Lois, get the wrappers.
Put the wrapper on the side. On the side, not on the... Okay. What's that?
It's a little outfit.
Oh, it's an outfit.
Let's see it. If this can work this.
How do you open it?
Let's see. Rain or shine. Oh, it's open another blind bag. Yay.
Now what's inside?
Thank you.
Open
Oh,
it first.
no.
What's inside?
Mommy, help me.
It's bleeding. Oh, come here. Cut it
Rainbow
first.
shine.
Stop first for a
There,
while.
it's okay. You put the
Now
band-aid
we-
now.
Come here now. I put bandage
Let's try
now.
rainbow shine.
Lois, we put the band-aid.
That's weird.
Lois, come
Have
here
a
now. So
piece of blood.
the blood will stop. Come here.
Okay. I'm so hurt.
Oh.
Oh, ang haba.
Next time, you be careful using the scissor.
It's because of the scissor?
Yes.
Parang hindi naman niya hinawakan ng matagal yung scissor.
Okay.
Much better.
Maganda pala tong bandage sa
And
atin.
now on the side. Okay.
What's inside the pink?
Okay,
pink one.
next one. Okay,
Lois.
let's try this.
You didn't open the pink one yet. Did you open it?
Wait, not that word. Sweet or sour? It's open. It's wet. Now this one here.
How many accessories it has?
Let's not yet.
Did you count
Okay.
it?
Not yet. If we have
Wow,
this
so
little
red.
shine, no. Piece of love. No, wait. It's a blue light.
What's that?
Oh, it's a lot.
Oh, and a bit.
Oh,
Oh,
you put on the
I
side.
look like a big stuff now. Now we have to open these sections with the black. And let's see, we need to open that.
Careful with the scissor.
And what do we have? What do we have here? A pair of glasses
You sure it?
and a little bracelet. And let's keep going. That's strange. Something tiny in this two little bags. Let's do it at the same time.
One by one, go it.
What do we have? What do we have? Oh, let's open the pair of this and open it. Whoa, it's a golden bottle. So neat. And what do we have? Next here.
Put the wrapper on the
Let's
side.
open this.
Lois,
Yes.
put the wrapper on the side. The wrapper, not the... Then you count how many accessories you got.
1, 2, 3.
Why only 3?
That one, the shirt.
Oh no, her head. Let's remove
What's
this.
inside?
Now her mask. And oh, she looks so beautiful.
Group.
Oh no, how? Okay, now it's.
Don't rip the
That's her mat. That's her.
That's her dress. Don't rip it.
Slowly, slowly.
Okay, okay. Now we have another.
Be careful. Be careful on her clothes.
There we go.
That's her clothes. Did you rip it?
There we go. Now stop. Now let's see who is this. Let's see who is this. It's the Soul Babe.
Which one? Who?
It's the Soul Babe.
Oh, where's your shirt?
It's right over here.
The blue one, right?
And then her glasses.
Put the wrapper on the side.
Who will we get?
Oh, there's your name.
No, there's another one. You haven't opened it
this
yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one. Three.
Wow, your shoe.
A golden shoe.
All is gold.
Oh, everything is gold. Even this doll is gold.
That's for her. Right?
Exactly.
We have 2 dolls.
Let's peel up, and we need to see this secret code. something under wraps. What this is? Let's use my eyeglass and see if we need to find it. And it just says under the sea. So let's peel this sucker and waste it in.
It's an under the sea. Why you broke her armor? This is her armor under the sea. See, it's a mermaid.
Aww.
Next time, be
You
careful.
don't know yet.
Here
You're
we
gonna
go. Now you can see it. And now let's see.
What are you looking? We're looking for something?
Oh no, it's broken.
You broke it because you opened it that much.
Mommy, why are you crying?
Because of yours.
Why are you crying?
Oh, there's some more.
Huh? A golden earring.
There's another one. No?
Here for her.
There. Here, no? There's another one here. See?
Oh, it's a bracelet.
Bracelet and earring.
Now,
Will you put her accessory on?
our mission.
That's right.
Dress
Dress her
her
first. Give her the dress. Give her dress. Lois. Is it all the accessories?
Put the
that's
handle.
handle. It's a good handle. You see?
Put the handle on the case.
No. It's on the other side.
This way?
Help you? No. That will be her. This will be her case. Wow.
It's a luggage.
Yes.
You can put the two down there.
See? Wow.
What this?
A luggage.
No, you put accessories inside the game.
Luggage.
And then you have a.
No.
Is it look like a cup?
A capsule. That's her capsule.
Is it under wraps?
Uh-huh. She
Oh, you
have her-
put their accessories on.
Make her dress now. Put her dress on.
Weird
Yeah.
and a little.
Look at her earrings. Don't lose it. I'll put it her first. Come here.
No. Our secret mission.
Secret mission. Oh, here. These are all her clothes. Accessories, bracelet, gold, and earrings.
Put her on the accessories, Lois.
Wow. He's a mermaid.
Come on, put the accessory on. Are you reading the instruction?
You're next.
Huh, Lois?
You're next.
Lois?
I didn't.
Oh, you put on the accessory.
Glasses right here.
It's for the golden hair one. What's her name?
It's Salve.
Okay, you put the accessories on Salve.
Dress her up.
I spy.
Dress her
I
up.
am detective. Oh, I have a throw up. Gross.
Dress her up. Lois, mommy will get that.
Oh, so. Okay, David, I will check the video.
Finish first.
Finish the video.
Almost there.
You finish your video first. We're doing your video. You forgot?
Yes.
Look at the camera and...
Oh, I forgot. Okay,
Okay,
let's.
dress her up.
Dress her up first before you go watch the video and you sit down here with mommy.
I mean, no. I will check the LOL video. Okay.
Lois.
LOL.
Lois.
I.
Lois.
Yes.
Finish first the accessories. Lois.
No, I will just find it.